Hey, it's Matt with May West, here to show you how to use the LockNFlate. First step, take off the cover off the valve stem, push down the lever, lock it into place, pump your air into the tire. So the most common question we get with the LockNFlates is whether or not you need an open flow or a closed flow. So the open flow allows air to pass through the LockNFlate without any restriction, where the closed flow will stop the airflow through until it's engaged. So open flow, whether it's hooked up to the tire stem or not, the air is going to flow through it. The closed flow, when it's not hooked up, there's not going to be any air flowing through it. Your closed flow will work with an air compressor where you don't have a trigger behind it, so you can connect this straight to your air line, and then once you connect it, the air will flow through. An open flow needs to be connected to something like a tire inflator that has a trigger attached to it. You can order the LockNFlate at maywest.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-788-6483, or check out your local May West dealer.